how to do iPhone split screen. So to split the screen into two halves in your phone, you need an app called Split Screen Dual Window. It's available in App Store. So first of all, let's go to our App Store, and in the search section of the App Store, search for Split Screen. And right here, this is the icon for the app. You don't need to pay for it. It's not premium, right? So after you install it, open the app, and after led to this page, you can just simply split the screen. So you can either choose like a full screen for one window, and then you can also use like half and half for the other windows, right? So let me play you a demo. You can open YouTube in one page. For example, let me play a song. Here, in one page you can play a song, while another page you can use Wikipedia or Instagram or Reddit or whatever you want, right? So it just enables you to use two web pages at once, which enables you to multitask. So that's it for today. That's how you do iPhone split screen. Thank you very much.